Hello students, welcome to Disha. We are powered by Sharat Chandra IAS Academy. So in Disha program, we are teaching and educating the young minds of our country, the young students, about various different events as well as topics, whether they are related to current affairs or the static portion, and they are of both national as well as international importance. So these topics will help you comprehend what's going on in the world around you. So today in this series we'll be talking about the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station. So there are three things clear that there is some sort of mission and it is related to space. So it's a space mission. Alright, now let's see what is the news that relates to or what is the news that is of our use. So India, our country, has shortlisted two astronaut designates for the upcoming Axiom 4 mission. Alright, so this is some mission, Axiom 4. We'll see what is it. Alright, this mission is a space mission. This is clear. And this space mission has some relation to the ISS, International Space Station. International Space Station. Alright, and one more thing is there that India has shortlisted two astronauts. Alright, so these will be going to USA and there they'll be getting training of being an astronaut. So who are these people? Indian astronaut Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla and Group Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair. Okay, Prashant Balakrishnan Nair and Sudhanshu Shukla. So Subhanshu Shukla, sorry, they have been shortlisted to go to US to train for the upcoming Axiom 4 mission. Now let us see what is this mission, Axiom 4 mission. So Axiom 4 is the fourth private astronaut mission to International Space Station. That means there is private spaceship manufacturer Axiom 4, and this mission, that means this spaceship or rocket, will eventually be landing in the or going to ISS. Okay, now next thing, that how India has managed to do this. So it's a big thing. Okay, it is a big sign of commitment as well as friendship with USA. Okay, so it can be recalled that India and USA joint statement during the official state visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the US in June 2023. So this idea to do this mission was concepted in June 2023, envisioned a joint ISRO-NASA effort, ISRO-ISRO and NASA effort. So NASA is the space agency of USA and ISRO is the space agency of India. Okay, so ISRO and NASA, under the leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, envisioned a joint effort towards going to the ISS, sending Indian astronauts to International Space Station. And now we must see that China is banned from using the ISS, and they are developing, and in fact more so have already developed a different space station. China and Russia. So this also shows that in whose team India wants to go. Okay, so now we need to learn about the ISS also. Just a second. So we need to also know that ISRO has entered into a space flight agreement with the NASA identified service provider, Mr. Axiom Space Inclusive, or MS Measures Axiom. Okay, so this Axiom is a private company basically from the USA which is trying to go to the ISS. Now, what is this ISS? We need to see this also. Okay, so let's see this. What is this ISS? So ISS is basically International Space Station. So station means somewhere the other ships can go, attach and land. All right, and it is international. This means it does not belong to USA only. It's a combined international effort. So it is the largest man-made structure in space. Largest man-made structure in the space. Okay, it is a symbol of international cooperation and scientific advancement. It was launched on November 20th, 1998. That means 26 years ago. Okay, so 26 years ago we made such an let's say advancement in science. So IS has been a continuous habitat for astronauts since 2011. Continuous habitat. That means some or one of the other astronauts may be present in the ISS even now. It is a collaborative project between NASA from the USA. Okay, Roscosmos, ROSCOSMOS. Okay, so this is Russian Federal Space Agency between Russia. Third is ESA, European Space Agency, and last is JAXA, Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency. So which four countries? USA, Russia, European Space Agency, and lastly the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. So these four countries have built the ISS. And what is ISS function? So ISS orbits the Earth 400 kilometer from upwards. All right. So one more thing, that it provides a habitat for the astronauts and research station, let's say. One more thing, it also travels at a great speed at 28,000 kilometers per hour. 28,000 kilometer per hour. So it rotates the planet. It completes an orbit around the planet in only 90 minutes, in only 1.5 hours. Okay, so this orbit allows the continuous research and observation, providing invaluable data and insights into space and microgravity condition. All right, so this is about the ISS. So this is a good milestone for India. Okay, astronauts are going to the space, let's say second time. One more thing, just a second. What are the further readings that you should do? What are the further readings that you should do? So further readings from here can be about the Gaganyaan mission. About the Gaganyaan mission. So this is very important mission. One more thing you can read about the ISRO. We already had a video about the PSLV and the launch rockets of ISRO. PSLV, GSLV Mark III. Alright. So about this we already have a video. The economic discrepancy between the satellites and the launchers. So you can watch that also. So this will be all for today's lecture. I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next lecture with a new video. If you have any comments, any feedback, you can let me know. And I'll be very happy to help you with any questions. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.